Alright guys, today we're going to be microwaving gummies. How long should I put it in there? Maybe let's try 20 seconds. Oh wait, shoot. Should probably do this first. I don't know if it will explode or not. Alright, 5, 4. That didn't do much. Hold up. Okay, I put it in a little longer and I don't know what that is. It smells very strange. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's like glue. So I guess 6 out of 10. I don't think this is a very good idea. If I put it in longer, my microwave would probably explode. I was much better off not microwaving it.